Hi, I'm Christina Heideck with PTO Answers, and I'm back again with my favorite treasure in the whole wide world. Are you tired of hearing me say that yet?
Nope, keep going.
Nope, keep going. My husband Jason, who is a two-time voluntold treasurer, meaning I said, hey, honey, guess what? You get to be treasurer next year because we need one.
Three
And he
times.
did it 3 times?
3 times.
Oh, no, but only 2 different schools.
3 years.
Three. He's counting, people. That's not great. Okay, so he is here just to talk to you about some treasure stuff because you know that's one job that I have never had and will never be able to have because I stink at math big time, like even basic math skills. It is very embarrassing, but people love me anyway. So, yes. I have things are wrong all the time, but that's okay. You still love me. I know that managing money for a PTO can be kind of complicated because you're dealing with other people. And overall, that's an issue for PTOs because it's all people management, right? But when it comes down to money, you know, when you have established your budget, do you have any tips for treasurers on keeping committee heads or people that are spending money on behalf of the PTO, if they keeping them on budget or under budget or informed about how much money they've spent versus how much money they have left and anything related to that?
Yeah, so the biggest question is how much money do I have to spend? Much like sometimes you're not sort of volunteered to be treasurer, a lot of people aren't volunteering themselves to be head of committees, whether it's fundraising committee or teacher appreciation or activities or whatever you're doing. So it's always good to let them know how much money they have. So that was at least one page I put in the finance manager. And you should do it with them every month. So if their budget's $1,000, when you use our financial manager, you'll be able to categorize each expense. And there's a neat little report you can give them so they know, hey, you had $1,000. Don't forget you spent $250 this month. So you only have $750 because people will spend the money and forget they have end of the year stuff to do. It's not your job as the treasurer to approve any changes. So having them know how much money they have left in case they need to ask for more money from other areas. There's a neat little trick in our financial manager that allows them to do it. Else, just give them a little slip of paper or a sticky note at each PTO meeting, and show them how much money they have left. So it's not about just tracking all your money and making sure you balance your books monthly. Make sure you know where all the expenses are going because there should be a budget for them somewhere.
Okay, awesome. Thanks so much.